Okay, so I'm here. I just pulled out the filter here. They're saying they got like smoke that came out the house. So the unit does smell of smoke. It's like dust mixed with but let's open up the unit here. Let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. All right, yeah, this unit smells real bad. So I'll open this up. There's a lot of growth here. All right. All right. So let's open this up. Okay, I got nothing there. This is the wheel. You got some hair there. Another hair. So two sides of hair. So let's pull this bad boy out and see what happens. Okay, so I got the wheel out. I don't see anything underneath. And then in here, it looks like the insulation's a little burnt. So I don't know if it was just the dust or what. Because I got insulation here. Right there. That's pretty charred up when I touch it. Okay. Okay, so everything's back together. We're just gonna wait till the unit kicks on just to see if we see anything crazy. The filter is back. Okay, yes, sir. Offset it by 3 to 5 degrees, please.
I'm sorry?
Offset it by 3 to 5 degrees.
Meaning?
So...
I know what those things are.
Which things?
Both heaters are on. At least I turned the power on.
The wire things? The wire holder. The wire nuts.
Let's look at the zone board to see what we got. Zone 1 and 2 is calling. Alright, so I got the unit up and running. Yeah, it does smell. Zone 2 is on.